have been invited to go to the Deputy Registrar's chambers so that we are briefed, we understand what is going on, and then we can come back. So kindly just be a bit patient.
We can't surrender.
We will be coming.
As you go there, you sort of come and explain to me.
That was the...
Never surrender. Never surrender. Never surrender. Never surrender. Never surrender.
One, our clients have not been brought. We are asking the head of the division to issue a production order so that even as we go to the judge to seek to be heard, they will have been brought. He declined, so we went to the judge. The judge says that he did not fix the case. So I'm asking, then who issued the hearing notice to us, which has made me come all the way from Nairobi in the morning and has made almost 20 advocates come to court from Uganda, come to court for the matter. It is not our fault. We received a hearing notice. Why are our clients not in court? Why can't he hear us today? He said he has a list. It was pointed out to him that there are 2 other applications with him filed on behalf of the accused persons for bail. One in April, one end of May. The rules of the court are that once an application for bail is filed, it should be heard and finalized within 30 days. It was read to him. He just told us he'll fix and let us know. Because the principal judge had said if we do not get satisfied with what we are told, we can come back to him. We came, the head of the division, we came back to him. He's having a matter in chambers, and he asked we come and wait here in court. Only to reach the court and the orderlies say you should not come in. And it's the judge who has sent us to the court. So we are being tossed from one place to the next. If you patiently wait, we would want to be heard today. Because we have a hearing notice for today. So we are waiting to address the head of the division to respectively ask to be heard. Why should the accused persons suffer in custody? Why should they suffer the expense? Because having all this team, this is expense. Time is money. Coming from Kenya to Uganda in the morning for the case to be heard is an expense. So it's punishing, failing to hear is punishing the accused. And you will not believe it. I actually came from the United States. I traveled from Seattle on Tuesday, arrived in Nairobi at 10:30 at night. And today I was at the airport at 5:30 a.m. to come here because of a hearing notice coming from the court. So we do hope that when we address the principal judge, not the principal, the head of the division, he will direct that the matter be heard today. And we are not even counting all of you who have come That's still an expense. Your time is also very valuable.
That's right. That's
Yeah,
right.
it's a matter of public interest that this application be heard.
That's right.
And it gives a good impression of the court when matters are handled expeditiously, lest nobody says that certain matters are being deliberately delayed. So we hope our plea will be listened to.
So we are just waiting to go back to Justice David Matoki, who heads the division, because he's now entertaining some other matter. But he has told us, as she has explained, if we don't get a satisfactory or explanation from we come back to you.
We'll go with
We'll
you.
go back here. He said we'll come back.
We'll go with you.
Is it chambers?
That's why
we'll
that's
go
why
with
we
you.
That's why we requested. The other thing you need to know, we inquired as to why our clients are not here. Then the registrar told us actually they forgot to sign.
This one.
For avoidance of doubt, there is Justice Robin. He's the one that basically is not getting liberty, he's the one laying for these matters, and we are sweating and not getting just because of one man called Justice.
Councils will have liberty to go back to his chambers, but he says we'll have a date before then. So we are not going to be heard today, but we will have a date before Wednesday. The date will not be for the days that are in the middle, but by Wednesday we will know when and by who.
And that's for all matters, both the bail applications and the other matters, because there are 3 matters for this.
Mpaka Wednesday next week. Tugezezaako okunyigiriza naye nga mbeera ekamye kubanga tugambye nti baalirabye Monday oba Tuesday naye waliwo ebigenda maaso enteekateeka z'okuziika Justice Kanyayamba nazo nga zitwafectinzeemu zigenda paka ku Tuesday ne tugamba okay fine katukkirize mu bulumi obw'ekitalo tukomewo Wednesday nga batuwadde olunaku then tulabe nga tugenda mu maaso ensonga application ziri 3 eza bail 2 then nene ya revision orders ezakolebwa Nantege zetutakkanya nazo trial nga bwegenda okubeera ebyo bya main case byo bikyali biwanvu tetuyinza nabigendamu akaseera tukyalwana kufuna bail so embeera eno gye tulimu katukkirize mu bulumi obw'ekitalo nti tulinde paka kulokusa.
How would you describe how the whole thing worked today?
Ping pong.
Of course ekiriwo embeera eno nga bwe mugiraba oluzungu bajja kulwa embeera nga bwe mugiraba bweri kooti eri mu katu era embeera bano si beeteefuteefu kuwulira bail application grantinga bail mumanyi bulungi twajja wano Justice Comfort Kanya ali mu division eno yennyini n'agamba Dr. Besigye ne Lutale batukkiriza ebyetaago byonna ebya bail byonna babimazeeyo n'amateeka gabawa bail naye ne bagamba tuganye olw'ensonga nti tutya nti omusango munene bayinza okunyigiriza okukyankalanya obujulizi okunoonyereza kati kwaggwayo kubanga bakola komito ng'ennaku z'omwezi 29 omwezi ogwokutaano so state tekyanoonyereza kati byaggwa kati ekitongole ekiramuzi tekirina nsonga yonna kuba n'akasonga Justice Comfort Kanya ke yawa nako tekakyaliwo kuba kunoonyereza kwaggwa tebakyalina kye bayinza kuwa nsonga lwaki tebabawa bail kati baguma kyava agamba fayiro kanzirokinge kanzituulire kyebava bagaano tuwadde eti naye naffe tulemeddeko tujja kunyigiriza ne banaatutambuza kolido zonna ne tuzimalako amadaala gonna ne tukamalako tujja kukikola okulaba nga tufuna obwenkanya nga tufuna hearing date.
I want to add just one thing.
To translate
Justice is about appearances. Justice should not only be done, but it must be seen to be done. The question is, and which the judiciary ought to consider, a person like yourselves looking at what is happening, a hearing notice is given, no production order in a very sensitive case, then we are told they forgot. And the accused persons are almost going to 1 year in custody. Will a person looking at it see as though they forgot or will they think it was deliberate? What about being given a hearing notice and not being heard? We pray that the judiciary rises to the occasion, gives us an early hearing date, and concludes this application for justice to be seen to be done. Otherwise, it will look like there is an attempt to delay and keep the accused permanently in custody.
So taking it from there and translating a bit of what the Lord Mayor said is that all indications are that Justice Baguma is not only hostile, but is granting justice in this matter. We are therefore decided against his continued participation in any Besigye matter, and we have made that much clear before the head of the division, and we hope we hope he doesn't continue locking these Besigye files under his door, under his locker, and that he releases them so that justice can be done. So also this is an appeal to Justice Baguma. Please get out of Besigye files, because you are doing injustice, and your hostility to the lawyers and the people who are following up Besigye's matters is unwelcome and unprofessional.
If I may add, it is rather insensitive. This is happening at the expense of taxpayers. If you witnessed lawyers pushing for advancement of remunerations from the judges, we did struggle to ensure that the judicial officers are well remunerated so that they can give us a judicial service. So it is insensitive for any judicial officer to say that we forgot a particular citizen who was supposed to appear in court. The accused persons deserve an apology from the judiciary for having been forgotten to be produced.
Thank you.